Isang magandang pagbati to one of the living legends of the Filipino martial art and also one of the TECAP Council of Elders. Happy birthday po, GM Romeo Macapagal. Wishing you good health and many more years in inspiring the young generation of escrimadors. Happy birthday po, Mang Romy.
Hi. If there's any one person in the martial arts that I look up to with great respect and admiration for his integrity, his straightforward, no-nonsense, and honest opinion, not to mention his impeccable integrity and very, very high-quality skills in the martial arts, it's no other than Mang Romeo Macapagal. He's been a good friend of mine for a good number of years. From the first time he visited me in Cebu, I guess that was more than 5 years ago. Since then, we have become very good friends, and every time I'm in Manila, I always make a point to visit him in his home. Happy birthday, Mang Romy. We have many more birthdays to come. God bless, and thank you for all the wisdom that you shared with me.
Hi, Mang Romy. Just want to wish you a very happy birthday, and thank you for always sharing and keeping the knowledge of Tatang. And I appreciate the way you always are so enthusiastic about sharing everything about it. So, God bless. I hope you have a really good day and take care always. Bugay.
Hello, Manong Romy. Bumbaki here. Sana nakikilala mo pa rin ako. There's so much stress and crisis going on here. So, everyone simply look older than than normal. But anyway, Manong Romy, first of all, please, lagi ko sinasabi sa iyo to please take care of your health. Take care of your health, and please know that you are always in my prayers. Lagi kong dinadasal ang iyong health. Lagi. I don't miss. And I always pray for you, Manong Romy. Please remember, and I want to let you know that I am very, very proud that I am your youngest among the cousins of Mix Foronda and Macapagal clan, and I'm always proud. I will be proud of this. I will always be proud of this. Manong Romy, I wish you joy, and I wish you all the blessings. May God bless all your wishes para naman sa ganon you can also bless others. Maligayang bati, Manong Romy. Happy birthday sa iyo. Manong Romy, once again, ingatan mo ang health mo. Take care of your health. And you're always in my prayers. I never forget you, Manong Romy. Okay? Viva! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hello po, good morning po. Maligayang kaarawan po, Mang Romy. Mula po sa grupo namin sa Rapidorismo Cali. Binabati po namin kayo na maligayang kaarawan po. Naway pagpalain pa po kayo at tumagal pa ang buhay para makapag-share pa po ng mas marami. Maraming salamat po.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Mang Romy. Nag-greet ko sa iyo ng happy birthday sa iyong birthday sa August 15 advance. Sana sa ngayon mas mabuti pa yung kalagayan mo. Baka marami pa yung mga birthday dumating sa iyo. Sana magkita pa tayo sa mga masasunod na mga taon. Maligayang pag-celebrate ng karawan mo, Mang Romy. Maraming salamat.
Hello, Mang Romy. Wishing you a happy birthday and wishing you the best. Just want to say thank you for all of us hardcore fans of Filipino martial culture. Thank you for preserving one of the great legacies, that of Antonio Ilustrísimo. Thank you for preserving his techniques and his fighting strategies and his history as best as you could. We're lucky to be able to stand on your shoulders and all the work that you did. Take care.
Hi, Mang Romy, wishing you a happy birthday from sunny California. Thank you for all the times where you generously shared your hospitality, all the laughter and stories and the insights into the art of Tatang Ilustrisimo, and just your love of Philippine martial history. Wishing you many, many years of continued good health and well-being.
Maligayang kaarawan, aking maestro, Romeo Macapagal. Magandang kalusugan po lagi, sir, at kaligtasan po lagi, sir. More birthday to come po, sir. At maraming salamat po sa lahat, sir. Enjoy your birthday po, sir. At humaba pa po ang buhay niyo, sir. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
To Grandmaster Romeo Macapagal, a very happy birthday, and we are praying that God will always shower you with His blessings of good health and happiness. May you continue to be with us and guide us in our quest for the truth in the Filipino martial arts always. More power to you, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday po mga Romy Macapagal. Nawala lalo po kayong lumakas at maging malusog sa mga darating na panahon at araw. Wish you all the best po. Happy birthday ho.
Magandang gabi po sa iyo, Grandmaster Romeo Macapagal. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po na marami pang taon ang darating po sa iyo at malusog lang po yung katawan mo po. Salamat.
Ay Nom, yung gabi.
Good evening, Nom.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Jay.
birthday.
Wishing you nga mayo pagid ma-prolong imo nga life and with energy. Kabay patani nga may naga-sustain man dira sa imo. At least kahit papano sa aton times sa subong as we get to grow older, mga nagapa-smile man sa imo dira and may arag dya makapa-enjoy man sa imo sang learning sang imo nga art as we have had in the past. Ginapasalamatan ginanamon nga natunan ginanamon kag naagya namon kahit papano. And gin-welcome mo kami. Hindi ginanamon malipatan ang times nga we have been with you. You have been kind man sa amon and we wish you well sa inyo man, sa imo man nga life nga makakontinue ka man bless other people as well. Ang kabay patani nga makapadayon ka as ang iban nga tawo eager man maka-learn sang imo nga distinct nga art nga ikaw lang gid ang makatudlo sina nobody else. Kami na blessed lang gid kami nga naka-learn gid kami.
Long live no kabay patani, good health always. Kag tagaan ka lang sang Ginoo nga maayo nga lawas para magdugay ka pagid.
Oo.
Happy birthday, Lumat, no?
Happy birthday.
Manong Romy, happy birthday po. Wishing you more power and good health. Enjoy your day po.
Hello po, Manong Romy. Pagpalain po sana kayo ng Panginoon at bigyan pa ng mas mahabang buhay. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Hugay po.
Happy birthday, Mang Romy. I am very happy that our Lord God has given you this very wonderful day, your 78th birthday. My wish for you on your special day are good health, long life, happiness, prosperity, and of course, most importantly, our God's unending guidance and blessings. Thank you very much for being a good mentor. Not only that, also for being a good friend. Thank you very much for your kindness and generosity. So as we continue this day, I hope you have a wonderful day ahead of you, Mang Romy. Hoping to see you before the year ends, hopefully in the last quarter. God bless you always, Mang Romy.
Grandmaster Romeo Macapagal, happy birthday. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Pagpupugay po. Pugay.
Hi, Mang Romy. Happy birthday. May God bless you with the best health. May you have more birthdays to come. This is William. I'm a good friend of James. It was an honor to meet you when I went there on April of this year. I wish you all the best. Thank you for sharing your knowledge about Tatang Ilustrissimos Escrima. I really appreciate it. May God bless you with good health and mabuhay. Thank you.
Romy Macapagal, wishing you a very happy birthday. Thank you po. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Grandmaster, and wishing you more life and more blessings and more power to you.
Happy birthday to Grandmaster Romeo Macapagal of Calis Ilustrissimo. This is Grandmaster Leo Uyanib of Calido Society. Wishing you all the best on your birthday. Pugay po.
Happy 78th birthday to you, Grandmaster Romeo Macapagal of Cali Ilustrissimo. Sir, happy birthday.
Ako po si Mr. Renante F. De La Cruz, third dan po ng Aikido Taekwondo, and fourth dan po sa Shorin Ryo Karate, and ang aking club po sa ngayon is yung biniber ko pa rin yung Negros Amateur Karate Organization, and affiliated po ako sa Taekwondo International and Shorin Ryo International. Today sa kay Grandmaster Romeo Macapagal, sir, Grandmaster po ng Calis Ilustrissimo, isang maligayang pagbati po sa iyong kaarawan po ngayon, Master. At nawa po kayo ay pagpalain at puspusin ng banal na Espiritu na kayo ay bigyan pa ng ating Panginoong Diyos ng mahabang panahon sa inyo pong buhay. Salamat po sa inyo pong pag-share ng art sa atin pong mga kababayan GM. Mabuhay pa kayo. Happy birthday and God bless po.
Grandmaster Romeo Macapagal, happy birthday. Kabay nga ara ka sa Mayo Japon nga lawas. Kag more birthday to come. Kag wishing you all the luck, sir. Happy birthday. Kag enjoy your day, sir. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grandmaster Romeo Macapagal. Greetings from Hong Kong to you. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, GM Romeo Macapagal. Everyone knows that you are a hard-working man. But it's good to see you. Take a rest and relax for a bit. You deserve the best in life. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grandmaster Romy. God bless.
God bless.